Guys, Sakshi is already here waiting for me. So got out of the airport and going to catch pickup. Going for cab pickup. So I think I have to go through this point on top, and there's a pickup point. So let's find that. Make sure you come over here and then get your ride. So all the taxis are over here. So guys, this is a dish called car cake. It's made of pumpkin. Sakshi's mom made this, and this is Sakshi made, guys. This is not going to taste that nice, but it's going to be yummy. Guys, Sakshi allowed me in her ladies' hostel. Okay, do you know that it's every guy's dream to stay in a ladies' hostel? It is hostel. But she actually called her mom.
Oh.
It's like...
This is not going.
This is not going.
This is not going to vlog.
This is going to vlog.
Not any part of it is not going to vlog. Let's put copyright issue.
Copyright issue is not happening.
Welcome to Pune.
Welcome to Pune vlog. So where are you sending me?
Parvati Hill, you know.
Okay, and have you been there?
No.
Why? And Apeksha has been kind enough to give me her scooty. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Guys, look at Pune Jugaad. This is not a mobile. Guys, Sakshi's Jugaad. Please contact Sakshi. What is your Instagram handle, Sakshi?
Mystic Joy.
Mystic Joins, yes. For more such Jugaads. So after around 15 minutes of ride, I think we have reached the entrance. That is the Shiv Parvati Mandir's entrance, and I think that is the Mandir. So we'll climb and see for ourselves. There's a lot of rush in the streets of Pune, but let's go. Yeah, it's a steep climb, and already the view is getting better. You can see. I think maybe 10 more minutes of climb. Not that much. If you're quite fit, you can easily do it. So let's go. So from Sakshi's home, I took the scooter and 10-minute drive and maybe a 5-10 minute climb to Sri Deveshwar temple. First I thought its name is Sri Mata temple because the name of this hill is Sri Mata hill or something like that. And the view from here is just amazing. As you can see this, you can see the whole city of Pune from here. And as you climb, this is the beautiful temple. Let me show you guys closer. And Sri Nana Sahib Peshwa Sthapit Sri Deveshwar Mandir. That is the name of this temple. So inside videography, they have written that videography is not allowed. No one is there. It's very not much people are there. I could have taken a video, but I thought you should come and visit this place. So one thing I want to say is when I saw the deity, I didn't first notice that towards his left there is Ganesha and towards his right there is Parvati. So initially I thought it's a Devi temple, but I saw Nandi, and wherever there is Nandi it has to be a Shiva temple. So then when I asked the lady, she showed me a photo where Ganesha is sitting on his right lap and Parvati on his left lap. So this is basically a Shiva temple. So devotees of Shiva, you can come here, sit here for darshan and soak in the ambience, and it's just very beautiful over here. So I'll also sit here for 5-10 minutes and then go back. So There is a Peshwa museum over here. It's just 20 rupees and you can come and visit it for some of to see the artifacts and a little bit history of the time. Most of it is written in Marathi, only very less in English. So I don't know how to. I didn't really understand the history, but if you understand Marathi or if you are from here, you can come and visit. Something I would highly suggest you guys is to walk barefoot, especially during while part of treks or while visiting temples. This will help you ground a lot. So I knew about it from before also, but after listening to this podcast of I think of Raj Shamani with the chiropractor or the physiotherapist of the Indian cricket team, he talks about how important it is, especially when we are using mobile phones and everything. And most of us use our mobiles and laptops while charging. So apparently the voltage of body really increases, which can actually be shown with the device. So when we use grounding pads, there are certain pads which you can buy from Amazon for this. He shows it drastically reduces to 0. But you don't need to buy that. You just need to walk barefoot, go to swimming in natural ponds or rivers, and just be in touch with soil. So this actually gave me a lot of relief, because I also edit a lot of videos, so I'm mostly on tech, but doing this helps me a lot actually. So when you're in Mumbai or regions of Mumbai like Pune, when you're in Maharashtra, the most famous dish is vada pav. So we are here to try a vada pav at this famous center called Garden Vada Pav. So let's go check it out and see how it is. Garden Vada Pav Center. Let's go see how it is. Guys, we're going to try this out. So as you can see, there is some chutney kept inside. Usually there is a dip, but I think they have already kept the chutney, and they'll keep the spice inside. I'm already full after food from Sakshi, but I thought I'll go overload and we'll try anyways. It's very nice, very yummy. I hope the mic is working. The one is very soft, and let me try it with a bit of spice. When you add the chili to it, the flavor is even better. One thing is, people tell I never say food is bad, and that is true, because sometimes I might not like it, but there are people who love this. So even if I don't like, I say it's okay. I never say it's bad unless food is damaged or something. So you should also come and try this out. So you get something over here, masala tag. It's basically buttermilk. It's actually more fermented than I thought. Not my cup of tea. But it's very cool, and I think people over here might like it. So guys, I've been forced to eat. So what all are the dishes we are having?
What is Maharashtra?
Your mom made, na? Tell the truth.
Yeah, she has made it. But I do contribute.
Okay, what all are these items?
This is curry leaves pachadi, mango pickle, thesa. Then this is groundnut chutney. This is gawar.
Okay. Gawar hai?
Gawar ki sabzi.
Gawar, only Gawar people can
Yeah.
eat. Gawar means idiot or something
Yeah,
like that.
illiterate.
Illiterate. Achha, Gawar.
This is...
Guys, ye Gawar.
I don't know what this name
Gawar.
is.
Okay guys, now I have to shoot the same for WhatsApp. Okay. Guys, as always, Sakshi is late. I like to be on time, Sakshi. Why are you not following Sadhguru standards?
What standards?
On the dot you have to be.
I have work commitments.
Oh.
I'm following that commitment.
Nothing doing. Guys, Sakshi is using Devi shawl. Jugad. Devi shawl Jugad.
Devi carrying Devi
Oh. Say again. Hello guys.
Channel to my welcome.
Channel to my welcome, Diksha. We are missing her subtle body because we burned it off. Yes guys, we are here. I had properly guys. Guys, we are very...
अर्धी चपाती खाली नाही बस म्हणे. मम्मीने खूप चटण्या बनवलेल्या.
Guys, we are Samyama Sadhana volunteer. Only idli. But today we'll get review from Vaibhavana.
Yeah.
Vaibhavana, how famous is this place?
This is more hype than famous, I think.
Oh,
Yeah. I agree.
let me call the honor. Honor, we are.
I think people mostly come here for nostalgia.
But we don't come. I'm coming from second time.
Me too. After one solar cycle.
One solar cycle.
Okay, now let's try. What is this?
This is looks like bun omelette. Let's see how it is.
We're gonna have like all onion and garlic.
This is spicy, but spicy for you. It's good, but not like not that good, but
No, it's good.
It's couple fight. More views.
He's talking about that. I'm talking about this. Yeah,
no. Obviously, I'm talking about.
yeah.
Fight.
No. Listen, I don't like this much.
This is like the famous bun maska over here.
You try, I will record you. No.
Guys, I got a nice yellow rose. Thank you. The review is over. The best. So guys, the Pune people over here are not liking this,
Yeah.
but that's not how. This is like a ritual. Okay, you guys should accept it, and you know when foreigners like me come, should tell them that it's nice. Look at the amount of butter. How much money they are putting into one baska bun.
That's palm oil.
It's nice. I think, can I dip? I think dipping in tea will make it better.
Is there any temple called Banishwar?
Okay guys, we are at Zomato. No, we are at Cafe Good Luck. And who are these people? What are they doing over here guys? They had a lot of food from here. They didn't pay the bill. And they came out acting all cool. Hopefully the police won't catch them. And Vaibhavana is very happy to meet someone who he admires.
Hey, this is very normal. Like it's Kalakar Katta. People usually do that sketching and everything. Can you zoom it there? Shout out to these artists.
All artists are covered by this.
Yeah, one Save Soil event also happened here.
Oh, is it?
Very
Okay, everyone. So we are at Sadguru Sri Jangli Maharaj Mandir. It's a Samadhi. And also there is a very famous Padaleshwar cave temple over here, which was mentioned in Isha's Sacred Walks. So I'll put the location links in description. You guys can come and visit. finally found. Where are we, Madhuraka?
So we are in Pune. So this is Pataleshwar temple. So let's go.
Okay, let's go, Akka. How did you find this temple?
I knew about this temple from so many years. I live here. So from my childhood, I know about this.
What does Isha's sacred work say about this page? I mean, this temple? Can you tell a little bit more about this temple?
So this temple is built by Pandavas. It is like Lord of Underworld.
It's on. I want the audience once more. Please. Sakshi, where are we going? Sakshi, where are we going?
Ante. Sabudana vada.
So guys, Sakshi says there's a very famous Sabudana place over here. So she wants to buy for her mom. Sakshi is rocking the Devi shawl. Is that? Oh, they have. Okay, I thought Sakshi is going there, the big shop. Where are you going, Sakshi? There, no? There's the restaurant, no?
I'm checking where is the vada.
There, left side.
Is it written?
Go see, no? It should be there. Not here?
No, they used to like stay here. Don't take all we are not
Ah. Guys, this Pune girl doesn't know anything in Pune. She acts. She told me this you will get Sabudana vada and all. But apparently, there is no Sabudana vada over here. So what was the restaurant name actually? Acha, like they have like multiple shops with serving different kind of things, huh? Okay, okay. So the shop name is Hindvi Swaraj, and there is Sabudana vada over here. So we'll go check it out. Don't play faster, sir.
You want to try?
Oh yeah, it's too heavy. We'll go there and have. So this is the one. Pune seems to be filled with a lot of good places. Let's go. Tell Andy to keep a little bit for me. Tell Andy to keep small piece. Guys, these people are taking me to a South Indian restaurant. How sad. How sad.
Not a pure South Indian restaurant. But
Okay.
yeah, majority of it is South Indian.
South Indian.
But you will not like it, I think.
Thank you, Anna.
You can have SPDP.
What is SPDP?
Sev puri, dahi puri.
I'll have Sev Puri Dahi Puri.
But at least we didn't take you to Anna Idli.
Anna Idli. Why is it named Anna Idli? I think he must be Isha meditator.
There is one Akka Idli as well.
Oh, is it? Hey guys, it's a very famous Vaishali. She must be my sister, huh? Ah, the sambar smells good.
Oh, really?
I mean,
Oh God, we got a place.
ah.
So that's why we're going there. Ground floor is North Indian.
Oh, is it? Okay, guys, we are going to the top of Bharat. Bottom part is south. Oh.
And now what is the full form
It
of,
didn't start. Did it start? Oh, guys, bro.
what is the full form of SPDP? Don't see.
Sada Puri, Dahi Puri.
No, wrong answer.
What is the right answer?
It's Sev puri, potato puri. No, I'm just joking.
It's called Bro Kodaka. See, guys, this video is pre-recorded.
Sev puri, what? Dahi puri.
Ah,
Sev puri, dahi puri.
obviously. So now what is it?
Sev Puri and Dal Puri. So this is our famous SPDP.
What is the full
What
form?
is the full form?
Save. Save. Bye, Akka. Save potato, Dahi Puri.
Yes, that's right.
It is
it's written
it
on
is
the
the written
menu.
Save potato.
Sev potato, dahi puri.
Yes.
But I can see only dahi.
It's only nice dahi on top, and this is Dahi Puri.
Dahi vada. And this
Done with the
is
video, na? Now we can eat?
Yeah, eat it. It's okay. The video is not recording, guys.
Oh.
and this is veg mojito.
Veg mojito.
Virgin mojito. Yeah.
Okay, na.
Now I have to eat in a sophisticated way.
Yes, guys. Come on, Anna. Show us your sophisticated skills. Wow. Sit. Wow.
Good.
Guys. So, Komalaka, any parting words?
Nothing. Just hope to see you soon.
Okay.
Come home.
Oh. Is that the one? Okay, bye, Anna. Bye. Take care. Guys, rule breaker Sakshi is with me. And
Dude, it's one way.
this is the end of the daily week, guys.
You need to break some rules.
Yeah, see?
Rules are meant to be
Broken. If you come to Pune, don't call Sakshi, guys.
Then roam around with that Google lady.
Roam around with
Round
Google
and
lady.
round and round.
Use ChatGPT, but don't use Sakshi GPT.
Then so you'll again roam around.
Amigos, follow Mystic Joins.
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe and
Subscribe.
channel to my welcome.
Diksha, where are you? Who is the generous chap?
Guys, the vlog is not over. We're gonna get killed with sabudana vada. Ure baap re. Itna vada to nahi. Half vada मैं खा लूँगा.
Oh, it's for you.
No, this much I'll eat.
What is it? Wait, there's chutney or not?
Keep chutney now.
Let me wash my hands.
Why do they keep so much? I just need half. Sakshi's mom is too lovely. Since this has my name, she kept me 1.5.
Spicy.
हम लोग खाने वाले ठेठा.
Try. I'm giving you a list because it must be spicy.
Singham.
Oh my god, singham. Yeah! I won.
I think it's the chutney that your mom made, no? Similar to that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Who will taste this?
thank you, my 100 viewers. Thank you, my 100 viewers. Thank you, Vaibhavanna, for being the 100. And remember Komalaka's birthday. And do Andamardana from Madraka.
I don't know him.